Christmas jumper, t-shirt and dress. So we're going to go to the table and see what we need to make it. Let's go, and it's quick and easy. So we're going to go. So we have got our white dresses.
Yeah.
I've got my white dress, and we're going to have cardboard, but we're going to get that after. Leave that there. So and we need some nice glow in the dark fabric paint just to write Merry Christmas and other stuff, and pom-poms, decorations. We need some tinsel to decorate our, because we're going to be doing hair baubles and hair bands.
We can make some pom-poms with it, so yeah.
And we're going to have a selection of hair bands, and we're going to
at the end we're going
accessorize them and to make them. Yeah. We've got nice baubles just to like make the baubles and tie stuff and everything.
Yeah,
now we're going to make a glitter just to shine it up. So we're going to get started, and I'm going to go and get the cardboard pieces. So you're going to set out the dresses, and I'll go and get the cardboard pieces. Let's go.
So do I just set up this?
So these are the cardboard pieces to make sure that nothing of the paint goes on the thing. So I'm going to take mine. So you will need to put your cardboard piece inside your dress like this. And I'm going to go and get a black Sharpie. Just like you might need a black Sharpie just in case. Like
yeah.
I'm just trying to
got a black Sharpie.
It's a nice navy.
So that doesn't matter to me.
So I'm just So we have got our cardboard pieces. So yeah. So our cardboard pieces are here. So So make sure a tiny bit of your cardboard piece can so at the top so that you know it's all in. So you're going to get started. But first of all, yeah. So we're going to take off the hanger. We're just going to set the hanger aside. So you can buy new ones or use your old white ones.
We buy new ones.
Yeah. So
doesn't look
set it. So I'm going to write in Sharpie.
We put cardboard inside it, so like if you're,
writing in Sharpie. So I'm going to write in Sharpie first. So we're going to do Merry Christmas.
Yes.
So we have got our Christmas jumper and write it on them. Now it's time to decorate them. So we're going to go to the art and crafts table and get what we need. So we're going to get them. Let's go. So
we're going to do the hairbands after, so decorate them.
So we've got paint here, and I am going to be using
blue, definitely blue is my favourite colour.
So take one, so use one at a time, and I'm just trying to find myself.
Green and blue, no actually.
So I'm taking this. Hurry up because we need to dry this and it takes 4 hours. So I'm going to have a nice orange.
I'm going to put 2 colours.
Oh, okay. I need some help, Mum. So my mum is coming. She's going to help me.
Yes, so.
It's my mum.
That's so neat. Mama.
Oh, so you just shake it. So my So that's us finished colouring our trees and decorating them. So Yuva, let's go and put all the paints back.
Okay. After 1 second.
Yuva, we're just waiting for the white. So I'm just gonna have to wait for Yuva. Quickly.
Mary.
Okay, so we are.
Do you know why they call it Merry Christmas? Because of Mary.
Oh, so we have finished, and now we're going to use it as glue. So we're going to get the glitter. So you're going to choose my mommy first. So you guys choose one. Just choose one glitter.
No, choose 4. Choose Christmassy glitter.
No, just choose one for now. Choose one. What one do you want to use?
Oh, my favorite.
This one.
Are you
Nice green. So
I'm gonna have nice gold.
Nice gold. Let me just do this one. Okay. Yeah. So nice. I'm going to do there. So we have got our thing. So we've got our glitter, and my mum is having a funnel. So she's going to have my funnel first. I'm going to see if it works. So we're going to open, and we're going to.
But I need more glitter. I just don't want to use gold.
So good of me. So what I'm going to do now is show you how to make the bubble. And let's get started. So I'm going to show you how to do true colour and then attach a tiny wee tiny bit inside. So I'm going to start red first, then I'm going to do this colour, goldy thing. So first of all, you're going to cut, and it's like the same way as you done the bow, but similar. Like So I made a top wee hand thing, also a bobble, and yeah, got 2 of them. And then I had a wee hairband, which I am really happy with. And you've got,
This can be a ring or anything in there.
so she has made some unique thing, and then she has got a hairband that needs to dry like these, and she has got a hairband as well, like mine. And she's got a wee bottle one, like me. So I am really proud with this, and if you enjoyed it, which I did so much, if you enjoyed seeing this video, I enjoyed it doing it, and it's so fun. Please if you liked it, please subscribe and ring the notification bell to find out more videos like this. and different themes like Halloween or Easter, and share this for other people who are really hard for finding their Christmas jumpers, and you make it in your own style. Bye, I hope you see you next time. Bye guys!
Yay!